course, before we meet the couple and their entourage, we would like to present to you first the people who gave them life and who brought them to this world. So we would like to acknowledge the presence of the parents of the groom, Mr. Cesar Ludovico, the father. Sir, may we request you to please stand up. Let's give Mr. And her better half, let's all welcome Mrs. Maria Teresita Ramos Ludovico. Okay, she's still very young. And of course, we would like to meet the bride's parents as well, Mr. Joel Fajardo, the father. Where is over there? Can you please stand? Ayun po. Okay, so Mr. Fajardo is over there. And of course, our better half, Mrs. Maura Antonio Fajardo. Welcome, and thank you very much for giving us the prospect and the opportunity to be with you today. Of course, the people who have said yes to the couple to guide them along their way of married life. Let's meet the principal sponsors. Let's start off with Mr. Patsy Elizalde. Oh, okay. So we will make it this afternoon. Mayor Jejimar Junjun Binay Jr. Mr. Junet Rafi, are you here?
Only the wife.
Sir, we would like to see the wife. The wife. Oh my God. I'm sure the husband is equally handsome because the wife is very beautiful. Alright. So Mr. Ingrasha is not with us. Alright. Attorney, no, that's not Chica because you're really beautiful, man. Okay. Attorney Tito Fajardo. Attorney, are you here with us? Ayun po. Good afternoon, Attorney. Okay. We also have Mr. Dave Ramos. Batang-bata ang nino. Very young. Okay. Mr. Matthew Ramos. Not here? Are they brothers?
Yeah.
Matthew and Dave. Oh, they're brothers. Alright. Mr. Randy Rosales. Parang kamukha ni Zoran Legaspi, no? Okay, Mr. Richard Tarrell Yi. Okay, that's two L's. Tarrell Yi. Asan po si Sir Richard? Wala, si Mr. Richard. Okay, it's time to meet the Ninangs. Okay, so let's have Miss Sofia Zobel Elizalde. Oh, good afternoon. Miss Miraville Ramos. Absent. Miss Monica Zobel Pla. That's one. Okay, good afternoon. Miss Susan Penafiel. Yes, Miss Susan. Okay. Miss Beatriz Zobel Urquijo. She had to leave early, okay? But she was in the wedding ceremony, okay? Miss Jet Ramos. The name sounds familiar to me. Okay, Miss Patricia Zobel. Okay, she couldn't make it. Miss Jenny Ramos. Yeah, okay. Very young to be a Nina, no? Okay. Miss Cristina Zobel Suarez de Puga. Okay. Miss Gloryville Engracia. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Before I introduce to you the bride and the groom, most probably some of you are not really very familiar personally to the couple. So may I just share with you a little story about their love life. Is that alright with you? Alright. Okay. Well, Julius, the name of the groom, I think felt very strongly for Jenny, the name of the bride, the first time he saw her on her bike. For his sporty attitude, his love for sports, no? At saka yung long hair, na para daw si Kimpi De Leon. Kasi nung time na yun, uso si Kimpi De Leon. No? So yun yung mga nagustuhan ni Jenny sa kanyang partner. Finally, on January 1st, so may I request everybody now to please rise as we welcome the couple. Ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, let's all welcome Julius and Jenny. Let's put our hands together. So we take each other's hand because we seem to understand. One day, I will Ramos. Maybe you can take your seat now, our couple. We will have a game before we finally go to the final stretch of our wedding reception this evening. So may I have 6 couples with me, most probably husband and wife, to join our contest. Malaki ang premyo nito. On the signal go, the ladies will have to finish the sausage in 30 seconds. Likewise, the gentlemen will have to finish the liquid inside the feeding bottle. Alright? Alright, okay. All of a sudden, you declare you are. Alright. Sige. Okay, ready? Carla, for the countdown, Manay. Okay. Ready? Get set. 30 seconds only. Ready? Go! Sabay! Sabay po! Sabay! 30 seconds! Come on! Come on! Okay.
Ang bagay mo kumain ng sausage.
Ilang seconds na lang, Mare. Sir Jen and Julius, thank you very much for joining us in celebrating this beautiful union. To God be the glory. Good evening, everyone.